comes the SVL75-2 high flow machine, enclosed cab, air conditioning and heat. It's got 1900 and like 80 hours. It's got new tracks on it, hydraulic disconnect, Kubota bucket, we put new tracks. They're supposed to put sprockets on it too, but they didn't. Let's have that in, take it down. Customer traded this in to the dealer, said it needs sprockets, and he got these sprockets. It is a very nice machine. If his buckets will stay with it, but it's hydraulic disconnect. He's got a Kubota bucket, bolt-on cut edge, and side cutters on it right now. It is a high flow machine. Enclosed cab, air conditioning heat. It's got a radio in it. Very nice. Very straight. We touched up a little bit on it, but not much. We did put new tracks on it. Fairly late model machine. It's got the cylinder over there. Very clean inside. All the glass is good. It's got Prexy front glass. It's a little bit cloudy, but not bad at all, I don't think. Here's the front of it. Air conditioning blows cold in here. 1981 hours. It's late model. It's got big handles on it. Air conditioning, disconnect, windshield wiper. There's the radio.